What does a school coordinator do? Pick a day. The main thing that people see most of the time is that I manage the volunteer program here. And our volunteers help us with everything from helping us cover a lunch duty during the day to running copies. Volunteers can do anything for our school, and they really kind of bring out the heart of a community. And I know that sounds a little cliche-ish, but our kids, while they know I love them, they know I'm paid to be here. But when they see volunteers come in, whether they're parents of their friends or other community members, they know that those people are here because they want to be here. And that speaks volumes to our kids. I have been doing my job for 35 years. I started at Achilles Elementary when I was hired back in, and I have also worked at Petsworth Elementary. I worked at T.C. Walker, and then I landed at Bethel. So I find resources for the school that round out experiences for kids. So I do that in very obvious ways. So if a grade level wants to go on a field trip, I find the destination that meets their educational objectives and do all of the scheduling, the coordination of those field trips for them. I find classroom speakers or enrichment programs to help in a unit of study. And most of the people that come in to help with those things are volunteers themselves. So that's really a huge umbrella, is volunteer management. I have volunteers who were babies when they were here at Bethel, and now they are volunteering and giving it back, paying it forward, and that has absolutely been the most rewarding part of my job. I love it. I'm so lucky to be in this position.